Hi friends, welcome back. As I had shared few mental maths worksheet on numbers in part 1, today I am going to continue with some more brain boosting activities on numbers. Let's move. The sixth activity is count the petals of given flowers and color them according to the cake below. So what kids have to do, they have to count the petals in each flower 1, 2, 3, 4. So they will be coloring it red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They will be coloring it blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They will be coloring it orange and so on. So first the child has to count the petals and then he will color accordingly. To confuse the child, what I have done is I have changed the number of petals in same kind of flower in a row. In different rows, like this is a flower, same kind of flower, here has 4 petals, here has 8 petals, here has 5 petals, here it has 5 petals, and here it has 6 petals. Moving forward to my next activity is, it's an activity where numbers from 1 to 100 have been written, but at certain places, in place of number, a picture has been drawn. And the same picture has been drawn here with a blank ahead. So here 6 should be there. So child has to write 6 in front of cupcake. Here like 35, 36 has to be there in place of sweets. So he has to see where are the sweets here. So he will be writing 36 here. Kids like to attempt such tricky activities more rather than filling missing numbers and writing counting 1 to 100. Now my next worksheet is color the balloons. Now what I have done, I have drawn 30 balloons and numbered them 1 to 30 in a random manner. So the kid has to, and I have also written a range 1 to 10 orange, 11 to 20 green, 21 to 30 blue. They have to see the range and color the balloons accordingly. The kid has to recognize the number and decide it will fall in which range. Like 5, he has to decide 5 will fall between 1 to 10. So he will color it orange. 18, he has to see 18 will fall between 11 to 20 and he will color it accordingly. Moving ahead, in my next activity, I have drawn again 6 squares with numbers 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40 and 41 to 50. But instead of writing all 10 numbers, I have written 9 numbers and I have missed out what number. And that number only kid has to find out. Like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is not there. So the child has to write 8. Let's move to next one. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 21, 22 is missing. So on the kids may finish it. Now my next activity is an introduction to graphs for kids, where again I have drawn pictures of 5 different items and kids have to count those, like it's a leaf, so he will be counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the child has to color 5 squares respectively. Like this he has to do for all the objects. And later when they are finish up with coloring the squares, you may explain them that by looking at the graph we may come to know which is the item or picture which is maximum here, or we can compare their values by looking at the graph. We can teach them. Moving ahead to my last activities on numbers is a number line. It's again a very important concept to introduce to the kids, because in coming lessons they will be using number lines to add and subtract the values. So in this again I have drawn some objects and they have to count the objects and that value they have to place it on number line, that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So they will be marking 10 on the number line. 12 lollipops, so they will be marking 12. In this activity, kids have to count the objects and mark it on the number line. So they will understand that the number 10 or 12, what does it means on number line? It means that it is 10 quantity of something. Okay. So friends, hope you like these activities and you are going to practice them with kids. And I will be back soon with many more activities on any other topics. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.